Imagine a country as a giant factory producing goods and services. Gross domestic product, or GDP, is the measure of all these products and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period. It's like the scoreboard of the country's economic health. Now, picture 3 different ways to calculate GDP. First, the production approach, which adds up the total value of everything produced. It's like tallying every goal scored in a game to determine the final score. The second method is the income approach. Think of it as adding up all the money people earn, from wages to profits. It's akin to calculating the total earnings of all the players from the game. The third method, the expenditure approach, sums up all spending on the final goods and services. Consider it as tracking every ticket sold, every snack bought at the game, to gauge the event's success. GDP also helps differentiate between nominal and real values. Picture a vintage car's price tag now versus 10 years ago. Nominal GDP looks at current prices, while real GDP adjusts for inflation, giving a clearer economic picture over time. Why does GDP matter to you? It affects everything from government policies to your personal job prospects. Higher GDP often means a healthier economy, more jobs, and better living standards. However, GDP isn't perfect. It doesn't account for everything, like the value of household work or the impact on the environment. It's important to remember that it's just one part of the economic story. So, next time you hear about GDP in the news, you'll understand it's more than just a number. It's a snapshot of a country's economic performance, crucial for making informed decisions, from policymaking to personal finance. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational videos.